What this then means is that you could use the regression line, the regression equation specifically, to make predictions. You could try predicting how many drinks a customer will order depending on how many appetizers they are served. And you might also see how well that prediction holds up for individual participants in the sample. So for example, let us look at the last participant. They were given 6 snacks, as you can see from the shortened table as well. And this you can then fill into the regression equation. You can put in their x value, which is 6 in this case. And then you get a prediction for how many glasses of whatever beverage they wanted, they ended up ordering. 2 plus 1 times 6 gives us 8 drinks that we expect from this person. And so I ask you, is that a correct prediction? Is that prediction correct for the current individual? Looks like it's this individual over here. We expect them to order 8 drinks based on the overall trend. Is that prediction holding up?
It's correct because the point is on the regression line.
Yeah, point is on the regression line, so this customer behaves exactly as we expected from them based on the overall trend. Let's compare that to somebody else. That should clarify a thing or two. Imagine the other participant that I have in the shortened table, so participant number 5. They were offered 4 appetizers. So we can once again plug that into the regression equation. 2 plus 1 times 4 this time around. And as a result, we would say a customer like this should at least most likely order 6 drinks. But that's not the case, right? This greedy student, at least I'm assuming that it was a greedy student at this point in time, only wanted to have 2 drinks during his stay. It is this participant in the data. Actually, is it? No, that's not him. Where is he? This is him. Yeah. So the lower rightmost point in the scatter plot, that would be the individual that we're talking about. So what you can say is they don't behave exactly in accordance with the general trend, which is of course quite normal. And what we can then do is express how far they are away from what we expected. What we can say is they actually ordered only 2 drinks, but we expected 6 based on the trend line. So that means they are 4 drinks below the expectation. That's the deviation that you can calculate. And we call this a residual. Prediction errors, that's actually a common term in Dutch, voorspellingsfout. But the more common English term is that this is a residual. And for every person, you can calculate such a residual. You can see how far their observed score is away from the overall trend.